Careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Good leave.
Deep point in place.
That is edged.
That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
Oh, shot, but only a single.
It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one.
Great shot. He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
That was pretty ordinary delivery. Got what it deserved.